everyone, welcome to Smoky Knife. Today I'll be showing you the recipe of super delicious tandoori momos at home. So let's get started. I have already kneaded the dough. For momo dough recipe, check the link in the description. We'll be needing 1 cup chopped onions, 200 gram minced chicken, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoon chopped garlic, half cup chopped coriander leaves and 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. To make the momo fillings, add minced chicken in a bowl. To it, add black pepper powder, sugar, salt, vinegar, chopped onions, soya sauce, oil, garlic and chopped coriander leaves. Mix very well to incorporate all the flavors. Take 1 spoonful of the filling on the momo sheet and start wrapping the momo as shown. For momo sheet recipe, click the link in description. Make all the momos ready. In hot oil, fry the momos until golden from all sides. For tandoori mix, we'll be needing turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chaat masala powder 2 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon and black salt half teaspoon. We'll also be needing gram flour or besan 1 cup, green chilies chopped 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, curd 1 cup, chopped coriander leaves 2 to 3 tablespoon, mustard oil half cup, lemon juice 2 teaspoon. In a bowl, add besan, curd, use thick curd without the whey, turmeric powder, salt, sugar, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, green chilies, Kashmiri red chili powder, black salt, chaat masala powder, lemon juice, chopped coriander leaves and mustard oil. Mix well and make a thick paste. Add food color half teaspoon. This step is optional. If you do not prefer food color, you can add more Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix again. Add 1 tablespoon water to make a smooth batter. Now add the fried momos into it. Coat slowly, otherwise the momos might break. Preferably mix with hand. For an added smoky tandoori effect, Put a super hot charcoal on a small bowl and put it inside the momo bowl. Pour ghee onto the charcoal and cover it for some time. Let the smoke infuse the momos. Let it sit for 15 minutes. In a super hot pan, add the momos. Add oil on top and swirl the pan to get the charred effect. You can also grill the momos in a combi oven for 10 to 15 minutes each side, brushing with ghee on top. Now for serving the momos, sprinkle some chaat masala and chopped coriander leaves on top. Enjoy with momo chutney, link in description box. Please do subscribe to our channel Smoky Knife and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our videos every week, twice weekly.